impact on the... We all have an impact on the planet. We need to accept that and minimise it as best we can.
Friends of the Earth for 30 years. Do you think you've been responsible for any carbon emissions in that time?
Yeah, we all have. There's no one person on this planet can say they're complete.
So therefore, wouldn't it have been better to have offset those emissions?
Not if offsetting projects don't work. I think what we have to do is we have to reduce our emissions as much as we can. And yes, there are projects out there that are good projects, whether that's restoration of mangroves or whether that's providing people in developing countries with the water they need to survive. Tread lightly on the earth, is the old saying, and do good at the same time if you can do.
One of the businesses offering carbon offsets is Shell Oil. I just pulled into the petrol station here. Their Shell Go Plus offer suggests you can drive carbon neutral, and they will invest